All right, guys, so I bought this kit off of some car audio shop that's in Florida. I'll leave the link to their website in the description. And just wanted to see, just trying out some things, and see if I could mirror this Galaxy Fold onto this factory display. So I bought the kit already. They make them specific for your car, and basically the kit is obviously behind the dash here, hooked into the back of this factory monitor. And I just went and got this HDMI cable from some cheap store called Five Below. Probably it was actually bad quality, but it was only $5 I wanted to try. And I had this USB-C hub already. This came up from Amazon. I'll leave the link to this also. It has two USBs, a SD card slot, Ethernet, and all of that. And then, you know, USB-C is on this side right here. So I just plugged the HDMI in here, and then I'm gonna plug this into the Fold. But first, when they hooked this up, they made a little switch somewhere down here, so I could toggle it on like this. So it's just a black screen now, and basically I'll connect this, unlock it. These are Pixel 3 live wallpapers too. They have Pixel 4 available too if you want to use those. Maybe I'll leave the link to those too. But so I'm gonna plug this in. Okay, so I got it plugged in here, and boom, it automatically just pops right up. Now, like I said, this HDMI cable that I got was $5, and obviously it looks like it was $5 because it's supposed to be way clearer than this. So I probably should go buy one from like Best Buy, but I just wanted to make sure it worked first, just to see. And let me open this, and as you can see, it's gonna basically mirror the whole phone, whole display and everything. All right, don't worry about the smudges because this is a touchscreen thing. But so you can mirror it. However, you cannot use, if your monitor is touchscreen, it does not matter. Nothing will function up there. And you have to do everything from the actual device. So you might say, what the heck would anybody do this anyway? But a few things like GPS. Of course, this screen is so great on here, but sometimes you might just not want to hold it, and I haven't really seen any car holders for this phone as far as using the GPS in there. So you might just want to set this in your lap, and then your maps and everything will just come up on the whole screen, which should just be a lot easier to read. Especially, you know, Google Maps is like the best out right now. Another thing might be YouTube. Let's try all right, so like if I'm playing a video here, of course it'll come up here. Now it's not showing the full screen because I didn't adjust the display settings. I think I got to do that on the actual monitor, which I don't even know if there are any on this because it was literally just made for navigation. But so you adjust the settings on there. You might better do something on here as far as adjusting. So, you know, you could just play videos or whatever in your car. Now, these kits or whatever that they're making, I'm pretty sure any car audio place could do it. This is just the only place that I found was in Florida. I'm not affiliated with them. I don't even live in Florida, but it actually works. I use this with my iPhone too, and it comes up just fine. Actually a little clearer than this, which is kind of weird, but I'm gonna try another HDMI cable anyway. See, like the little flicker or whatever, that shouldn't be there. Maybe I just gotta adjust something, and it should be full screen. But I thought that was kind of cool, that and the GPS whole aspect. I guess, you know, let me see, if you have AT&T TV, well, I meant any TV. See, so this is live. It's gonna play live up here. Of course, it'll look better once you adjust everything. But yeah, live TV in the car, you know, without having to hold this. So now I'm showing the Galaxy Fold, but you can use this with any freaking Android. I mean, it'll be any Note, any Galaxy, whatever, any Pixel. Pretty much everything should work. but since I had the Fold already, I figured I'd just hook it up and see what's what. The camera, your video calls, all of that should pop up. But anyway, I thought that was pretty dope. I might try a few more things as far as just some random out of the wall stuff that somebody might actually want to try. So this can work on, like I said, a factory unit or an aftermarket, but I'd rather not do aftermarket because it could just be something else for somebody to steal. So if you use your factory monitor, if you have a factory monitor in there, you know, when you get out of the car, you take your phone out anyway, so there's nothing for anybody to steal. Nobody knows there's a kit behind there. So it just seemed a little more convenient. But yeah, man, if I think of something else, I'll post it. Let me know what you guys think. All right, peace.